המצווה המנ"ז, the 57th מצווה, הוא הציווי שנסתווינו על שחיטת פסח שני למי שנמנע ממנו פסח ראשון. This is the mitzvah of the sacrifice of Pesach Sheni, the second Pesach. והוא אומרו יתעלה בחודש השני ב14 יום בין 40 יעשו אותו. In the second month, which is Iyar, on the 14th day, בין 40 in the afternoon, it shall be sacrificed. גם כאן ראוי למפקפק שיפקפק בדבריי ויאמר לי. This is also a place where someone who is doubtful will doubt and ask me, מדוע תמנה פסח שני וזה סותר מה שהקדמת בכלל שביעי ואומרך, why would you count פסח שני? This contradicts what you said in the 7th kelal of what makes a mitzvah. שהלכות המצווה אינן נמות בפני עצמן, והלכות, the particulars of mitzvah, are not counted as their own mitzvah. So maybe Pesach Sheni is a particular that if you miss Pesach Rishon, then you get Pesach Sheni, so it's not really its own mitzvah d'oraita. ידע מקשה קושה זו, שכבר נחלקו חכמים בפסח שני, actually this is a מחלוקת. It's a dispute. הוא המשך דיני הראשון, או שהיא סיבוי מיוחד בעצמו. Is it a continuation of the first Pesach, or is it its own mitzvah? ופסק הלכה, שהוא סיבוי מיוחד בעצמו, פיך ראוי למנו אותו בפני עצמו. The conclusion of this halacha, meaning the Pesach, is that what? That this is its own mitzvah. ובגמרא פסחים אמרו, Hayav karet al sheni diber Rabbi. According to the Yehuda Nasi, one is Hayav karet on Pesach Sheni. Rabbi Natan Omer, Hayav karet al Rishon. Upatur al Sheni. Rabbi Natan says, no, you Hayav karet only for Pesach Rishon, but not Pesach Sheni. Rabbi Hanina ben Akabya Omer, Af al Rishon no Hayav karet ela im ken lo asa Sheni. You only Hayav karet on Pesach Rishon if you didn't do second Pesach as well. Shal Talmud ve'amar, continuation of that Gemara, it says, what's the mahloket about? Rabbi Savar, Sheni regel b'fnei asmohu. B'nei Natan Savar, Sheni tashlumin rishonhu. That according to Yehuda Nasi, Pesach Sheni is its own regel, its own hag. Natan says no. Pesach Sheni is a make-up for Pesach Rishon. Hine nitpaer masher amaznu alav. V'sham ne'emar, if you purposely did not do Korban Pesach on Kelomar, lo ikriv Pesach Rishon, lo Pesach Sheni v'mazadon. Divrei hakol hayav. Everyone agrees that if you purposely did not sacrifice Pesach Rishon and Pesach Sheni, then you hayav karet. Shagach bazeh u'bazeh, v'hakol patur. All agree that if you mistakenly did not bring both, you're patur min haTorah. Hezid barishon v'shagach b'sheni. You made it on purpose, you missed the first Pesach. And by mistake, you missed the second. Let be Rabbi Natan Hayav. According to the Yehuda Nasi and Rabbi Natan, you're Hayav. According to Rabbi Hanina ben Akavya, you're patur. You're exempt. V'kach gam ken im yizid barishon v'ikri b'sheni. If you mistakenly missed the first one, but then you did the second one, hu Hayav ledat Rabbi, lefi she'en eslo hasheni tashlumin rishon. This case of doing it on purposely missing Pesach Rishon, but then you did Pesach Sheni. According to the B, you're still Hayav Karet, because Hasheni is not Tashlumim Rishon, it's its own halacha. Halacha b'chol zeh k'Rabbi. The halacha in this is like Rabbi Yehuda Nasi. U'misvah zo en anashim hayavot ba. Women are not Hayav b'Pesach Sheni. V'shenitpaer sham sheisha b'sheni reshut. In the second Korban Pesach, women, it's optional. Again, according to Yehuda Nasi, the second Pesach is its own mitzvah in its own right. What you did for the first Korban Pesach, well, you get karet if you actually on purpose missed it. Doesn't mean you can't fulfill mitzvah Korban Pesach in the second month, but you still missed it and have a consequence for missing it on the first month. HaMitzvah Nun Chet, 58th mitzvah. Hashivu shnistabenu le'echol basar Pesach Sheni b'leil Tedvav b'Iyar al Masa u'Maror. Eating the Korban Pesach Sheni with Masa u'Maror on the night of the 15th of Iyar. V'yomro yit'aleh gam al zeh al masot u'Marorim yocheluhu. V'gam dinei mitzvah zo nitpanu Pesachim. Ubarur, this is clear. She'eno chovan nashim. This is not an obligation for women. Ki keshem sheshechitato ena chova lahen. Since sacrificing it's not a chiyuv, not an obligation for women for Pesach Sheni. Gam lo achilato b'li safek. And also eating the Korban Pesach Sheni is also not a mitzvah for women. Without any doubt, it's clearly not. So again, these are the mitzvot of Pesach Sheni. Again, we're posek like Rabbi Yehuda Nasi for Pesach Sheni being a mitzvah min Torah. And then we say the obligation as well to eat the Korban Pesach Sheni with Masot Umrorim. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen ve'amen.